Hello, today we have Richard from Huawei, Director of Professional Services in Southern Pacific. Hi, Richard.
Hello.
Today, Richard, going to talk about evolving the telco business with IT professional services. Could you please explain what is Huawei IT Professional Services and why is Huawei moving into IT professional services from the traditional telco solution?
Huawei's IT Professional Services approach is very simple. We want to be a partner for our telco clients to help them transform, innovate, and continue to help them sustain their competitive advantage. If you look at what's happening in the telco industry today, the telco clients are faced with a tremendous change in the market at the moment. There's new regulations, new competitions, new technologies which they're struggling to understand and bring together. So we're not moving away from the traditional telco solutions, but we are expanding so that we help them identify new business opportunities, help them enable with new technologies, and help them execute that. So we are expanding our value chain for our business clients, our telco clients.
What do you see as market trends and what is the strategy for Huawei IT Professional Services?
Sure. The market trend is that in the telco industry, as I said before, it's becoming very competitive. The maturity of the industry is increasing and mobile penetration is increasing. So they're faced with more competition from over-the-top players and they're looking to expand to capture new business opportunities and new markets. So to be able to do that, they need to understand more closely in terms of what is happening in the target segments, understand what they want and the needs are, and effectively position on that, and understand what is the strategy for that, whether it's new bundling, whether it's new strategy, and to be able to enable that with new technologies and execute that. So all of this process is somewhat challenging for the telcos and business who don't understand the new technologies, and also struggling to understand where there's new business models and new segments of opportunities in the market. So Huawei's differentiation is that we're focused specifically for telco industry, and we understand the telco business. So we can help them not only with our traditional solutions around the telco solutions, but we couple that with our professional service to be able to identify new opportunities in the market and help them develop new business solutions to take to the market effectively.
You mentioned about your experiences in transforming telco business. Could you provide an example?
Huawei currently at the moment is managing around 150 managed services contract around globally at the moment, of which about 10-20% is involving business transformation. So I see in the next few years that this trend will continue to grow. And if I was to give an example of a client that we transformed regionally, locally here, in Indonesia, for example, we're working very closely with the telco where we're not only transforming the VAS and infrastructure environment, but we're doing a lot of consulting to help them bring new contents and new applications and content providers to aggregate and broker that content and bundle the services for them to target new segments of the market and develop a new business model for them. In addition to that, in Europe, as an example, we're working with the telco where we're establishing a new business model to expand beyond the typical telco segments. So using MVNO business model, we're helping them to partner with retail partners as an example and position new products and services and help them obviously grow their revenues.
With digital evolutions and various new disruptive technologies, such as cloud transforming the market, how do you see your services evolving in the next few years?
Sure. As a professional services team, we work very closely with our telco clients. Huawei understands the technology and the market is changing and evolving, and it will continue to evolve with new cloud services, M2M, and various other new disruptive technologies coming on board. So our strategy and approach around it is that we work very closely with our clients to understand the business requirements and changing business requirements and what's happening in the market. And then we have ongoing interaction with our large R&D team who understands basically our technical telco solutions and help them evolve their solutions as well. So there's a twofold discussions where they are evolving their technical telecommunication solutions, and we work with the clients to bring that together as an end-to-end services to help the business evolve and transform as well.
Do you have any short-term or long-term goals from IT professional services?
From a short-term perspective, we want to continue increasing the brand and awareness of IT professional services not just our traditional telecommunications solutions. And the conversation we've had with all the clients here, they're pleasantly surprised in terms of our capability and depth of the value of bringing the professional services as well as solutions to keep it simple for them and help them execute their business outcome. So we're going to continue doing that, and we're doing that successfully in this region, and we're going to continue to expand that globally. In terms of the long term, obviously we want to continue developing capability and become a market leader in the segment.